Welcome to Dynamic Strategy, your AI-powered business growth engine. noryX analyzes your Shopify store's performance and market dynamics to deliver a live, evolving strategy tailored to your brand. From market trends to promotions, it's like having a strategist on call, without the cost or complexity. And yes, you'll get it right in your inbox. To grow your brand, you need to see beyond your storefront. That's where noryX Business Environment comes in. noryX analyzes industry trends and consumer behavior, tailored to your business type and geographic location. It works like an AI-powered market researcher, helping you answer questions like, what products or categories are growing in demand in your region? Are there new consumer preferences shaping buying behavior? Are customers looking for more sustainable, premium, or value-based products? Is the market showing signals of diversification or saturation? It's like having an always-on SWOT lens on your environment. Opportunities. Emerging trends you can leverage. Threats. Shifts in consumer demand or macro factors to prepare for. Strengths. Market segments where your brand already resonates. Weaknesses. Gaps where evolving trends may require new offerings. Example. If eco-conscious food products are trending in your province, but your catalog is missing that positioning, noryX will flag it as an opportunity. Or if interest in large pack pantry items is rising in your local segment, noryX will recommend bundling and positioning strategies to align. Business Environment helps you adapt to where the market is moving, so you can drive growth with data-driven confidence. Want to ensure your products truly fit what the market wants right now? The Market Segment module gives you a precise view based on current buyer trends and purchase behavior to help you validate product market fit and sharpen your messaging. noryX analyzes your store's live data and surfaces your top 3 revenue growth opportunities by aligning the right products with the right customer segments. Example. For bulk buyers like restaurants, it identifies your large pack SKUs and recommends messaging such as cost-effective canned vegetables for your kitchen. For mid-sized buyers, it highlights which products and promotions best balance price and value, improving conversion rates. For lifestyle shoppers with specific values, like eco-conscious consumers, it suggests messaging like effective skin-friendly hand sanitizers with aloe. Whether you're validating a new product or optimizing how you market an existing one, noryX ensures your offer matches evolving market demand. And it updates this insight weekly, so you can stay aligned with your best fit customers. How do you stand out in a crowded market? The Competitor Insights module compares your store to top players in your category, whether it's Del Monte in canned goods or Hasbro in card games. You'll get visibility into what products they lead with, how they price, and what you can do to compete better. Use these insights to adjust pricing, improve listings, or offer value-packed products collections. Need ideas to differentiate? noryX suggests highlighting your Canadian origin, product variety, or sustainable packaging. And the best part? These insights aren't static. We track market shifts and update your plan so you can stay one move ahead. Great strategy also requires great timing. That's where the Position module comes in. noryX identifies upcoming opportunities in your local or seasonal calendar, from Canada Day to weekend farmers markets. Want to boost card game sales? Sponsor a community game night with Acme UNO tournaments and snack packs. Selling canned goods, demo recipes at local markets, and offer bundle discounts tied to fresh produce themes. Every recommendation is designed to connect your product with real people in real moments and increase visibility where it matters most. That's Dynamic Strategy in noryX, a living, breathing plan that updates weekly, powered by data, customized for your brand. From competitors to customer behavior, from search trends to local campaigns, noryX shows you what's next, so you never have to guess again.